Hi, it's John McGlynn. We're at the Food Safety Consortium session in Schaumburg here in December 2013. And again, a terrific session set up for 150 people or so. And of course, EM&S is here to support the activity, and we have a booth here. Now, some topics are flying around, and a couple that are pretty interesting are, again, the audits, as well as cost justification for quality projects. And I thought a couple extemporaneous thoughts would be worth providing. First off, the concept of audits, again, goes back to the reason we give peanuts at sessions like this, because we want to remind folks of the Peanut Corporation of America debacle, where they shipped salmonella-laced peanut butter paste to unknowing clients whose total quality assurance program involved auditing over a several-year periodic basis. And it's our assertion, along with auditing, to have a quality assurance program, you really do need to have material validation on a lot-by-lot basis, which ends up being a lot more work, but the result is you've got a confidence factor for quality assurance. But then that begs the question, how do you cost justify a project that involves tracking supply quality for every lot, for every shipment, for every day, for any material that could be risk-based? And so we kind of talked about the fact that with the decentralization of enterprises driven by strategic initiatives for more competitive advantage in local markets and for lower cost sourcing in low cost countries, we start to challenge the quality control ability of current tools. So we've got an advantage for cost for the company for low cost materials and ingredients. We've got new markets opening up, so the cost accountants and the marketing people like that. We also have new suppliers to qualify and bring on board. But the problem, the only downside is the variable risk associated with the cultures of these other countries and their quality assurance procedures. And that's where the risk enters the equation. And that risk really is invisible, and it almost can be exponential, the risk that you take on compared with having close at hand supply base. So cost justifying that becomes a very major challenge for quality assurance champions. And we still have the mindset expressed here and other places that we've never had a recall and we don't plan to have one. That is no longer an executive strategy for quality assurance. So to that end, the cost justification process has to be focused on risk mitigation, along with the day in and day out processes that are enhanced by automation to find dollar savings in time, effort, and possibly people. But the bigger picture is risk mitigation, and that's got to play well to executives. Okay, thank you, bye.